today's on the menu is fried cabbage. As you can see, I've already started frying my bacon so I can have the grease and the meat to go with my cabbage. I've also chopped up some peppers. This is my first time doing this with my peppers. Now I got 2 heads of cabbage that I'm gonna chop up and put in my pot. Okay, y'all, as I can see, I had to transfer my pot. I had to transfer my bacon and my peppers into a different pot. So I'm gonna let that stay like that. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna drop my bacon into my pot. Just like so. Yeah, normally when I cook my cabbage, I do not put those peppers, so I'm trying something different this time to see how, see how it tastes. Just add a little flavor. That's it. So this is 2 heads of cabbage that I have chopped up. I cooked what? 3 pieces of bacon. I've cut it in half to make 6. I think that was either 6 or 4. I don't know. It don't matter. You can use whatever type of meat that you would like to use into your dish, your cabbage. I use bacon. Now let me get my seasonings and put on, which it ain't nothing but garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. But instead of salt, I'm gonna use seasoning salt. And since I'm out of onion powder, garlic powder, it's just gonna be paprika, seasoning salt, and black pepper. And I'm gonna put a little water in the bottom of my pan, my boiler, just so it can cook all the way. Well, not cook all the way, but you know what I'm saying, so it can cook. And throughout the cooking process, I will be adding more seasoning in because I will be tasting it when everything is halfway done. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add some oil into my pot. Even though I put my bacon and use some of the bacon grease, I'm gonna put another oil in it. I'm gonna add butter in it. Y'all, I don't know, my mama do it, so you know I'm gonna do it. She taught me. Now I'm showing y'all. I'm showing y'all. And I also get the peppers and the onions from my mom, but I didn't put any onions in here. I just added the bell pepper, the 3 colorful bell pepper into it. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, is let this do what it gotta do. I will come back to y'all once my cabbage is slightly done. So just get a look. Like I said, I'm gonna when it's halfway done, I'm gonna come back in and taste it and see how much seasoning that I need to add back in here. You saw the water that I added in the bottom of the pan. So I will be back when it's almost done. It's time to add some more seasoning. Okay, guys, now it's time to check them. Don't they look so good? Ooh, it smells amazing. See how it done wilted down? So at this point, y'all, it should be about done. Or it should be done. And it's done. So I'm gonna sit it right here till all my food get done, and I will show y'all a finished look. Okay, guys, this is the finished product of my food. Those are my candy yams, my cabbage, and my pot roast. And here's my cornbread muffin. And y'all, trust and believe me, everything on this plate is delicious. I wish I could smell and taste this food. It is delicious. I had this in a crock pot for about, y'all, since 3 o'clock this morning, and it is 3:52. So y'all tell me how tender and juicy this is. Look at that. Oh my God, y'all, it is so good. Oh my goodness. But guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my video. Also, guys, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel.